Hello everyone, this is Mishima Walker, the manager of the NCWorks Career Center here in New Bern. And how are you doing today? I'm coming to you down here at downtown New Bern at our convention center on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. And I just want to let you know about all the great career opportunities that are available here in the Craven, Jones, and Pamlico area. Let's start with the weekly job board. Here's just a very small list of all the great career opportunities that are available here in the local area. Let's check them out. Also, we have several companies looking for talent like you. So let's check out their flyers. Now again, if you want more information about a particular employer, we encourage you to visit www.ncworks.gov. You can search by employer, you can search by location. Also, if you want a referral, then we encourage you, again, go to www.ncworks.gov, create an account. Make sure you have a professional email address and a working telephone number. Plus, if you upload a resume, then employers can look for you. So y'all should know what we got going on this week. We only been advertising since the end of February. That's right, our 7th annual Craven Works Job Fair and Resource Event is taking place this Tuesday, March 29th from 10 to 3. Now the first hour is only gonna be for high school students and our active duty and military veterans. You're a military veteran or you transitioning from the military, then this is an opportunity to find out all the great career opportunities we have right here in Craven County. We've got FRC East, we've got MCCS, we've got Bosch, we've got Chatsworth, we've got Keller Williams. We have a whole list of employers who are eager to talk to you and give you that job offer. So you want to be here. Now, for everybody else, at 11 o'clock, you need to show up and be ready to talk. Be ready to sell yourself, market yourself to get that job. Now again, we'll be here till 3. So again, Tuesday, March 29th from 10 to 3. First hour, high school students and our military veterans and our active duty personnel. 11 o'clock for everybody else. Be here. You do not want to miss it. Now, for those who couldn't make it to our Marketing You workshops, guess what? We're going to be in Pamlico County. That's right, Pamlico County this Friday from 4 to 6 at the Pamlico Public Library. Again, how to plan your career the right way. You don't want to miss it. We will be there. And again, please call the number at below to get registered. Now, in summary, we covered the weekly job board. Again, very small list of all the great career opportunities here in the local area. This Tuesday from 10 to 3 is our 7th annual Craven Works Job Fair and Resource Event. Again, taking place from 10 to 3. First hour, high school students and our military veterans and active duty personnel. And we're going to be open to the public at 11. So again, so many great career opportunities, whether you're looking for full-time, part-time, even volunteer, or you want to find out what community resources are here available to you. You know what? You do not want to miss it this Tuesday. Also, plan your career the right way, taking place at Pamlico Public Library from 4 to 6. Again, so many great things are happening in our beautiful downtown New Bern area. We hope you have a wonderful week. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.